Hey guys, this is Turtle Boy here, and I came to pick up my milk trap, but this thing is full. So I guess I had to turn on the camera. You see all this fish? Some of these I don't really know how they got in the milk trap. Get some water in the bucket. I'm gonna lay you down right here. It's raining, so I'm trying to get this done. These are some of the size that I catch on my fishing poles. Look. See, look at this one. These are all pretty big. Here's a big one. There's some little ones. But there's also a lot of big ones. Look at this. Ow. How are these things getting in my trap? And then you got a bunch of little ones. I just dumped these in. Oh, we caught a crawdad. Throw him in there. So, yeah, that's it for this part. I'm probably going to put this in another video. But, yep, that's what I caught my mail trap. With corn from the field. Go down the road. Go down the road. Stop! Failure! Failure! No, it's because you idiots. Get off. You retard. Because you don't know how to drive. You're pushing. You're freaking driving up on the sides. Super slow. Freaking tires off. Idiots. that's it for this before I rebuild this again. My bolt on the end broke off. Now it's a bicycle. Now it's a bike again. The whole point of it was to change it, but I guess you can't. Disaster. Gotta take it to the junkyard. That's it for Turtle Boy. And go check out DIY Turtle Boy. And yeah, that's it. So remember to like and subscribe, and bye.